In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add bookmarks in PDFs using Foxit. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily manage your PDF files with well-structured bookmarks, enhancing your navigation and accessibility. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's open up Foxit and head to the Home tab. This is your starting point whenever you need to access the main functions of the software, including opening files and adding bookmarks. Once you're at the home screen, you're going to want to find and click on the Open File option. This allows you to select and open the PDF document you wish to work with. From the options presented, click on Local Computer to access files stored directly on your device. It's important to ensure that you have the correct file ready and know its location to streamline this process. Now, click on Choose Files and navigate to the specific PDF you want to add bookmarks to. Select the file to open it within Foxit. Once your document loads, you'll need to focus on the Bookmarks feature. To access this, look for the Add, Remove, and Manage Bookmarks option. This tool is fundamental for improving your PDF's navigation system. It allows you to create new bookmarks, adjust existing ones, and organize them as you see fit. Next, you'll want to add your first bookmark. Find the Add Bookmark button, typically displayed as a small bookmark icon with a plus sign beside it. Click on this icon and you're ready to create your first bookmark for the document. Give your newly created bookmark a distinct and memorable name that makes sense for the section of the document you are marking. Let's start simple and name it Page 1, which corresponds to the first page or section you want to highlight. To make your document even more navigable, let's move on to set up additional bookmarks. Navigate to the second page or the next section you want to mark and repeat the previous steps. Click the Add Bookmark icon once more and this time name it Page 2. This process can be repeated for each section of your PDF you wish to easily access. And just like that, you've successfully added bookmarks to your PDF using Foxit. Bookmarks are incredibly helpful, especially in lengthy documents, as they allow you to jump to the sections you need without scrolling through the entire file. This feature not only saves you time, but also helps keep your documents organized. Remember, with practice, you'll be able to design a comprehensive and user-friendly navigation system suited to any PDF. Thanks for watching, and if this has been helpful, feel free to check out more Foxit tutorials.